In this video, we are going to configure or modify the page layouts. In last few videos, you've seen that there are many options coming called page layout, where we are selecting multiple page layout, right? So in this video, we'll talk about basically page layout. So let's say if I open this record and this record is not properly modified or not properly designed, or you can say the not properly showing right now. So how we can modify this page layout, that things we will discuss in our today's sessions. So basically we are going to modify or we are going to design the page layout of the details sections. So details tab. To do that, we have to go to this gear icon and click the setup. So once we go to the setup, we'll again go to this object manager. Under this object manager, we'll open our house details, and here you can see that we have a page layout. Under the page layout, we can create multiple pages. So page creations we'll discuss in our later video, but today we are going to discuss about the existing page layout. So in the existing page layout, you can see by default house details layout is created, and this page layout is created during the object creation. During the object creation, by default one page layout will be created, and that is called the table name or the object name, then the layout keyword. So my case, the house details layout. So this is the page layout by default created during uh, the first object creation. It's a by default creation. Now if I open this page layout, and you can see a graphical representation will show, and here you can see you can create the space, you can create the blank spaces, you can any field which is not present to your page, you can drag and drop all those options. So let's first see. So these all are sections. You can see this is the section called information. So if I so this is the sections, and this is another section. You can see each section have a information. So if I click the settings icon, we have options called one layout or two layout. So how do you want to design the page? So each column or one or two, that you can define that. So I am leaving as it is, and then it will be two by two column as it is. What I will do, I'll restructure that. Okay. So first I'll move this contact to here. So it will be like here. So number, after that contacts, then here I will put these accounts, and after that short description and then description. So this is how I am looking like right now. If I want to create a sections, I can simply drag that sections. So let's say I'm going to create a new sections, and then I will click OK, and then here I will say that more information. So I will select that more information and click OK. And then this short description and description, I will change this 2 by 2 layout to the 1 by 1 layout. So short description and description I want to add here, and this one I'll click gear icon and I'll check the details page and then save that. So this way you can change this page layout. If you want to create any button, you can. If you want to create any related list, reports, you can add that. So these things will come to the later part. At that moment, what we did, we modified, we created a new sections, we rearranged that, and we changed their sections type, one column or two column, and that's it. Now we can just save that. Once our page layout is saved, it will take some time to reflect that. So I'll refresh couple of times. So sometimes it takes some time to reflect that new pages. So let's do that. And then I will switch to the application. So house loan. And if I try to create a new record, so I'll simply click the new. And you can see the first number, and then here account, this is the contacts, this is the more information sections, this is the description section. This is how it looks like that. So let's say I am selecting any contacts. Here I am selecting that accounts, here short description, and then click save. This record will be created, and this is the more information, and this is the more information section is available. And if you want to do like that, you can minimize like that. So this is how we can design the page layout. So if you want to create a new page layout also, we can do that. So in our next session, we will create a new page layout.